Alright, to set up the Murphy bed, first thing you're going to want to do is lift the lid, snap the hinges into place. You're going to undo these deadbolts. And then you can place a hand here to help support it. You can rock this down. Take the mattress out and set it aside for now. Alright, when you lift here, make sure your hand goes all the way through the handle to grab both boards. You can rock it out, and again, make sure your hand goes all the way through. This footboard hinges up, and the handle goes through both pieces. So make sure your hand goes all the way through. Now you can raise the footboard. It does snap into place, so it may take a little bit of effort, but you can raise the footboard. Drop the legs into place. Then you'll come back up here to the headboard. Release this deadbolt and drop that shelf into place. Now you can put the mattress into place.